this is part 4 of Tina's changing hair. And also part 2 of another unboxing. This time, a Zavvi ZBox.
Ooh. So maybe you could comment down below on which is your favourite of my hair colours.
Oh, Jesus Christ, yeah. Every thumbnail, love, you're just going to have, changing hair.
So...
Right, don't look this time.
I'm not going to look.
Because I like this format.
This was a part of the deal at Cardiff Comic Con.
Yes.
The 2 boxes for the £10. So, yeah, basically...
Right, I like your idea, so we open it to them so they can see, and then they see our reactions. Don't look. Don't be a sneaky Khaleesi. Right, grab your flap.
I'm Luna.
Grab your one flap. Right, don't you look. Look away. Look away. Look away. Right.
There's stuff in there. I know. What it
good.
is anyway.
Oh, you're looking. Right, there's the box. Shh,
come on now.
shush your face. This is a format that works. Stop looking. I'm going to take out an item first, then Tina's going to go, stop looking! Gears of War Mystery Mini.
Don't open it.
I'm not going to open that.
That can go in a giveaway at a later date.
Some other lucky sod's going to have that.
Yeah.
I don't do Gears of War. I know I'm a gamer, but I'm a retro gamer. Nice. So, that's okay. Oh, no.
Half-scale endo skull.
Ooh, that's Terminator, baby.
Genesis.
Yes.
It's a Loot Crate. Is it exclusive?
Get off.
Loot Crate exclusive. It's my item to show him.
Yeah, but you didn't even know what it was.
It's a Loot Crate exclusive.
Nice.
Half skull.
That's wicked. I like that. I'm a fan. I'm a fan. This isn't the best.
Scale.
This isn't the best. I'm gonna go for this one. I've seen the last one. This isn't a good box, to be honest.
Okay.
Oh, nice! Jesus.
Sorry. You'll have to dial me down.
Yeah, your audio is way too loud. Death Note badges.
Ooh, good fun. I like Death Note. So
yeah, I just finished all of the mangas and they are superb. So much one-upmanship. Cool.
Yeah, they can go in my badge collection.
Nice.
Are we on the last thing?
Yeah.
Oh, I've already got these.
What do they love? Show the camera.
Marvel shoelaces.
Oh, for Christ's sake, again.
I mean, there's only so... And the thing of it is, like, the pattern, you can't even see there's actually Marvel, like, from that far away. Look. So...
Oh, this is a bit of a wet weekend, love, isn't it?
The first box was awesome
My
and
Geek
well
box
worth
was superb.
£10. This was meh. But, hey-ho. Hey,
oh, he's so aggressive. Way too much sugar. Believe it or not, she's still eating that effing taffy from like a month ago. Taffy, taffy, taffy. She's high as a kite every bloody week.
I'm considering going and buying some online.
I'm considering trading you in for a Karma model. This is cool.
Look at that.
Half-scale endo skull. Terminator. Oh, I like the wraparound. So that's not bad. Death Note badges are cool. Yeah, someone will get their Gears of War, and someone going to get these shoelaces, because there's only so many Marvel shoelaces one girl can have, isn't there? You probably got a different wig for every pair of Marvel shoelaces you've got.
I could use them for other things, other hobbies.
Sure.
Sure.
So, that was the Zavvi ZBox. Say, love me, I'm giving it a medium thumb. Yeah, it'll be a happy thumbnail, but you can't win them all. But... How do you feel, love? Have you caught the bug?
Overall,
have you caught the bug? Hey?
Overall,
are you getting another box?
No.
Are you going to do it? Are you going to get a new one?
Happening. I have my vegan box once a month and that's all I need.
For Christ's sake, you are not introducing those to this channel. There you go. That's all of our unboxings. What's happening in the next video, love? What number is this?
This is video 99!
99. What are we doing for the next video?
Video 100. And
what do you think? What should we do?
Party.
Yeah, we would just do a little hangout, little Geek Squid hangout, little party.
Maybe we should film it drunk.
Like comic trips, they do drunken toy reviews.
Yes.
That'd be amazing. Can we do it drunk? Can we?
Well, at this time
I'm a nightmare when I'm drunk.
I'll be on my leave and do from work because I've got a new job to go to.
Yeah.
So
baby, there's only so many times I can use that Yay soundtrack. You know that,
I'll be drunk
Oh,
Tiny
please.
drunk.
I want party hats, and I want to be pissed.
Yeah.
That is the plan. Right, it might not be next week because we need to order liquor now. But our next video will be video 100. And yeah, we'll see you there. That's been the ZBox from Zavvi. And you've been awesome.
We've been Geek Square.
We've been
to my next videos.
squeak.
Loves you. Bye.
Bye, peeps.